Are you wondering how to view all the users you have blocked on Instagram? Sometimes it's important to manage your blocked list and keep track of the users who are no longer able to interact with your account. In this video tutorial, we'll show you how to do it easily in just a few simple steps. Step 1. Open Instagram. Firstly, open the Instagram app on your phone. The Instagram feed will appear. Step 2. Tap on the profile picture icon. Tap on the profile picture icon located in the bottom right corner of the screen. Step 3. Tap on the 3 stacked lines. Tap the 3 stacked lines located in the top right corner of the screen. Step 4. Tap on the Settings and Privacy option. Tap on the Settings and Privacy option. It's usually the first option. Step 5. Scroll down to the Who Can See Your Content section. Scroll down until you see the Who Can See Your Content section. Step 6. Tap on the Blocked option. Tap on the Blocked option. Now every user, account, and even page you've ever blocked will appear in this list. Step 7. Add accounts by tapping on the plus sign. If you want to add accounts to your blocked list, tap on the plus sign. Conclusion. By following these simple steps, you can easily view all the users you've blocked on Instagram. This feature is an important aspect of account management that helps you keep track of your interactions and manage your privacy settings. We hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this one. Thanks for watching.